Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals, while others struggle to make progress? What if I told you that the difference isn't talent, luck, or even hard work? It's mindset. That's right. The way you think, the habits you build, and the way you approach challenges can either propel you forward or hold you back. But here's the thing. You have the power to change that. Today, we're diving deep into 8 transformative concepts that will help you unlock your full potential. These aren't quick fixes or surface-level tips. These are foundational principles that, when understood and applied, can reshape your life. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a clearer understanding of how to build resilience, master focus, stay consistent, and so much more. These ideas are backed by psychology, neuroscience, and the experiences of countless high achievers. So if you're ready to take control of your life and create lasting change, let's get started. Section 1. The Unshakable Mind, Building Resilience. Let's start with resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, and keep moving forward despite adversity. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about how you respond to it. Why is resilience so important? Because life is unpredictable. No matter how well you plan, you will face obstacles. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is often their ability to persevere. Resilience isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you can develop. At its core, resilience is about mindset. It's about viewing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable barriers. When you cultivate resilience, you train your brain to see setbacks as temporary and solvable. This shift in perspective can make all the difference. Resilience also involves emotional regulation. It's about managing stress, staying calm under pressure, and maintaining a positive outlook even when things don't go as planned. This doesn't mean ignoring your emotions. It means acknowledging them and choosing to focus on solutions rather than problems. By building resilience, you equip yourself to handle whatever life throws your way. You become more adaptable, more confident, and more capable of achieving your goals. Section 2. The Focus Blueprint. Harnessing your attention. Next, let's talk about focus. In a world full of distractions, the ability to concentrate is a superpower. Focus is what allows you to dive deep into your work, produce high-quality results, and make meaningful progress toward your goals. But focus isn't just about working harder or longer. It's about working smarter. It's about directing your attention to what truly matters and eliminating distractions that pull you away from your priorities. The science of focus is fascinating. Our brains are wired to seek novelty, which is why we're so easily distracted. But with practice, you can train your brain to stay on task. This involves creating an environment that supports focus, setting clear goals, and breaking tasks into manageable chunks. Focus also requires mental clarity. When your mind is cluttered with worries or indecision, it's hard to concentrate. That's why practices like mindfulness and meditation are so powerful. They help you clear your mind and sharpen your attention. By mastering focus, you'll not only get more done, but you'll also experience a greater sense of fulfillment and accomplishment. You'll be able to tackle complex challenges, think creatively, and achieve your goals with greater ease. Section 3. The Consistency Code. Small steps, big results. Consistency is the secret source of success. It's what turns small actions into big results over time, but staying consistent is easier said than done. Life gets busy, motivation wanes, and it's easy to fall off track. So how do you stay consistent? It starts with understanding the power of habits. Habits are automatic behaviors that require little effort or thought. When you turn your goals into habits, you no longer have to rely on willpower to get things done. Consistency also requires setting realistic expectations. Many people give up because they set goals that are too ambitious or unrealistic. By starting small and gradually building momentum, you create a sustainable path to success. Remember, consistency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Even on days when you don't feel like taking action, showing up in small ways can keep you moving forward. Over time, these small actions compound into extraordinary results. Section 4. The Growth Mindset. Rewiring your beliefs. Your mindset is the lens through which you see the world. It shapes your thoughts, actions, and ultimately your results. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. Why does this matter? Because a growth mindset empowers you to embrace challenges, learn from failure, and persist in the face of obstacles. It shifts your focus from proving yourself to improving yourself. On the other hand, a fixed mindset, the belief that your abilities are static, can hold you back. It leads to fear of failure, avoidance of challenges, and a tendency to give up too soon. By adopting a growth mindset, you open yourself up to endless possibilities. You become more resilient, more curious, and more willing to take risks. This mindset is the foundation of personal growth and achievement. Section 5. The Power of Purpose. Finding your why. Purpose is the driving force behind lasting motivation. It's the reason you get out of bed in the morning and the fuel that keeps you going when things get tough. Without a clear sense of purpose, it's easy to feel lost or unmotivated. Your purpose doesn't have to be grand or world-changing. It simply needs to resonate with you on a deep level. It's about aligning your actions with your values and what truly matters to you. When you have a strong sense of purpose, you're more likely to stay committed to your goals, even when the journey gets challenging. Purpose gives you direction, clarity, and a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond external achievements. Section 6. The Emotional Edge. Mastering your inner world. Emotions play a powerful role in shaping your thoughts, decisions, and actions. Mastering your emotional world is key to staying motivated, making better choices, and maintaining a positive outlook. Emotional mastery isn't about suppressing your feelings. It's about understanding and managing them. It's about recognizing when you're feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed and taking steps to regain balance. Techniques like mindfulness, journaling, and deep breathing can help you stay grounded and in control. By developing emotional intelligence, you'll be better equipped to handle challenges, build stronger relationships, and create a life you love. Section 7. The Discipline Advantage. Doing what matters most. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. While motivation comes and goes, discipline is what keeps you on track. Building discipline starts with setting clear priorities and creating systems that support your goals. It's about making intentional choices and staying committed to your long-term vision, even when short-term temptations arise. Discipline isn't about depriving yourself. It's about aligning your actions with your values and goals. By cultivating discipline, you'll gain a sense of control and confidence that propels you toward success. Section 8. The Ripple Effect. Creating lasting change. Every action you take creates a ripple effect, influencing not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. When you commit to personal growth, you inspire others to do the same. Creating lasting change starts with small, consistent actions. Over time, these actions compound, leading to transformative results. By focusing on your own growth, you become a catalyst for positive change in your community and beyond. Remember, the journey of personal growth is ongoing. It's not about reaching a destination, but about continually striving to be the best version of yourself. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and keep moving forward. Conclusion: today we've explored 8 powerful concepts that can transform your mindset, habits, and life. From building resilience and mastering focus to finding your purpose and creating lasting change, these principles are the foundation of personal growth. But here's the most important takeaway: knowledge is only valuable when applied. It's up to you to take these insights and put them into action. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Remember, you have the power to create the life you want. It won't always be easy, but it will always be worth it. So take that first step today. Commit to your growth, embrace the challenges, and keep moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And most importantly, go out there and make it happen. You've got this.